Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best camp chairs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the YETI Trailhead Collapsible Camp Chair. YETI's Trailhead camping chair immediately stood out for its comfort. It is made with a flexible, durable fabric that's spread tight against the frame, with a weight limit of 500 pounds, the highest of any folding chair we tested. Despite its strength, the material wasn't overly stiff either. There was enough give in the material to cradle our legs and back, balancing out the support with softness. In fact, even without sewn-in cushioning, we still found this to be one of the most comfortable. Beyond the seat comfort, we were impressed by the sturdiness of the frame. It's made of alloy steel, just held up against scratches, heavier body weights, and exposure to sun and water. We also appreciated its locking mechanism. While it takes some effort to put into place, it allows you to shift around, and even set it up on uneven ground, without risk of it tipping while you lounge. Moving on at number 4, we have the Helinox Chair 1RE Camping Chair. What sets the Helinox Chair 1RE apart from other options is how compactly it packs down. Like previous models, the newest version of this ultralight chair features tubing that disassembles similar to tent poles, so it fits inside a mid-sized backpack with room to spare. Along with its economical size, it's also the lightest chair we recommend by several pounds. That makes it a good choice for outdoor hikes and backpacking trips. During testing, I carried the chair in its carrying pouch for close to half a mile on mixed terrain. Unlike some other options I tested, the Chair 1RE caused no strain at all. That said, most other chairs were also ready to go the second I got to my destination. This camp chair must be set up. I had to lock the frame poles in place and stretch the cover over 4 different holding points. This took less than 5 minutes, which isn't much time, but is certainly more than other models. At number 3, we have the GCI Outdoor Kickback Rocker Camp Chair. GCI has staked its claim as the king of camp comfort with its rocker line of chairs, and the Kickback is our current favorite. Pistons on the back legs help with the rocking motion, and we found the resistance stiff enough that we wouldn't accidentally tip the chair over backward, but not so aggressive that it felt like the Kickback was pitching us forward. Both our 6'2" and 5'5" testers liked the seat height and had no problem sitting down and standing up. We also liked that it has the usual cup holder and phone pocket on the armrests. Despite that it's a little unwieldy when carried over the shoulder, the strap didn't dig in, though we'd still recommend using it for light activities such as car camping, backyard hangs, and picnics. Some padding in the seat and backrest would be nice, but the fabric has some slack that makes it comfortable to sit in. Plus, the rocker design provides an angle that takes you off your knees and feet. At number 2, we have the Kelty Deluxe Lounge Chair. Another favorite among our testers, this camping chair has a broad seat that doesn't pinch or press into your hamstrings, shoulders, or hips. The steel supports are thick, and the feet are widely spaced, so it felt sturdy and secure to sit in. Our testers were able to recline back and lounge at just about any angle without fear of the chair tipping over. The adjustable cup holders can accommodate drinks from a regular can of soda to a beer growler. It's so comfortable that one tester remarked, "My wife, who is 6 months pregnant, was happy to spend half a day at a bike race as long as she got to use the chair." That lasboy level of comfort makes this an excellent option for car camping and RV use, though don't expect this to be a go-to option if you're carrying your gear on your back or in your hands. And finally, at number 1, we have the Coleman Camp Chair with built-in cooler. The fewer things you have to lug to your campsite, the better. Thanks to this affordable camp chair's built-in insulated 4-can cooler, you can leave the kombuchas in the heavy cooler in the shade, while you stash a few beer cans and a handful of ice in your chair. Cooler aside, we also like this Coleman chair's side pocket and cushioned backrest. The side pocket is big enough for books or tablets, and has 2 mesh sections on the front for smaller items like bottle caps, keys, or a phone. It has an above-average 325 pound weight limit, and while it isn't the lightest camp chair on our list, we found its 8.5 pounds reasonable to transport, especially considering the attachments. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.